see the surface in fleeting glance, a moment caught in circumstance. You see a smile, or maybe none, and think my story's clearly spun. But beneath the surface, deep inside, are battles that I often hide. A broken road, a winding strain, a secret burden, a silent pain. Oh, please don't judge me too fast, 'cause you don't know what broke my heart. You don't know the sorrow, the weight within my heart. You don't know the moment that tore it all apart. And if you are a Christian, if Jesus is in your heart, then please stop the idle talk, put gossip out of sight. Maybe you better pray for me instead. Don't judge me too fast, because you don't know what broke my heart. I hear the whispers, feel the sting, the judgments that the shadows bring. You piece together, what do you choose? A narrative designed to bruise. You speculate, you draw the line, without a thought for what was mine. A trust betrayed,